I am P.A.K. Moorthy. I am a structural engineer and I am about nearing 90 years now, and I wanted some kind of a relief in climbing steps upstairs and also downstairs. And my wife also is also 87 years now, and she is also having some good benefit from this, and we are very happy that we are having some kind of a gadget to go up and down. And this Nibav lift is very compact, and it is very well convenient for us, for both of us, to go up and down. And it is very convenient for even the guests who are senior citizens. For them also it is useful to come up and go downstairs. Before planning to get the lift, I have to make some very serious arrangements in civil engineering spaces, and I had to do some actually demolishing some portion of the wall. And now we find it that it has occupied in a very, very vantage position with all the architectural look without losing the beauty and candor of the house. We are very happy with the position, and as it is, it can be seen, it has not had any disadvantage, but it is advantage added to the look of our house. About the features, we have recommended that it has got, some people have even come, visitors came, and even the visitors also traveled in this, and they are very happy. They also want to get this lift commissioned into their apartments. We have asked for a special chair in that, and they have given us the compact seat inside. And we always, if we travel singly, we will always use that chair. And also they have provided as an emergency phone in the lift, so that anything anywhere we locked up or something like that, we can call, get into the touch of the outside world. So we have a phone, and a special phone has been installed inside. And as it is, we can see when we travel, we can see outside, and also some kind of attraction is there in the lift.
We have an eye clinic downstairs, and my parents reside in the first floor. So they needed good, easy access to the first floor in a very safe manner, and to avoid staircases, since both are nearing 90s now. So then my husband and I thought about considering a lift facility for them. And since it is just outside the clinic, it doesn't enter into the building, and it doesn't affect the main entry point of our clinic in the ground floor. And they have a personal passage to come upstairs, so privacy is also maintained, and the lift is kept exclusively for them and for visitors who like to visit them, seniors, their family members. So it is a very convenient and very I would say very good advancement in technology that has brought a lot of change to all our lives.
We were looking for an easy lift, easy maintenance lift, and the first name which came out from which was vacuum based was Nibav. So Google போட்டோன்னு Nibav தான் first pair வந்தது, and so we decided we'll have a look into their thing. I researched about the company as well as how their products was, and it came out well. So number one, usually we don't going to try to find out another 4 or 5 companies and then try to sort out எது நமக்கு வந்து பிடிச்சிருக்கோ உடனே we take a call and go ahead. We are very happy with Nibav's commitment to the project since Forgiven, because they have done an excellent job, and we are very happy, especially to see my in-laws and the same age group, senior citizens, are really enjoying this lift. Despite having 2 stairways in this house, they are using the lift more often now, and it is very simple to use. ரொம்ப காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது, just press the button and that's it. I know it has got many safety features and all that, but for up and down, the simple thing is good. What we were looking for was, we know how the normal lifts are. They have a pulley room on top, So all put together, it was a very cumbersome thing to fit one of the regular lifts into any corner of this independent house. When then we came to realize that Nibav has this vacuum-based product which has not much of civil work involved. And once the lift came, even the packaging and all, it was really like we were very impressed the way the packaging came, and each and every team which came and did their job, we were very happy. It was very professional, right from the electrician to the person who put the lift together. Each and every team was, you could make out they're really professionals. They know exactly what to do and how to do it.